Yes, student, as I have said you in the previous video that I am going to show you more of the list implementation based on its concatenation parts. That means how to divide it. Let us take list. Okay, list suppose 3 I am taking. Okay, list 3 equals to, I am giving some value here, 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 60. Now I am closing it, so it became one list. Okay, now if I take this value and shift it to the another one, suppose I am writing list list 4 equals to what, your the list 4 value that you want to, I want to take all the list 3 values in list 4. How to do it? List list 1, then bracket open, then colon, then close the bracket. Now what does it represent? What does this represent? This colon represent there is no starting address, there is no ending address. That means whatever the starting address from here, what where the address at the last, till that particular position it will going to do the work. Okay, it will going to take all the values and it will going to print all the values. Now what I will do, suppose now I want to print list 4, enter. Just a minute. There what happened in this list, it is taking the previous values also. Okay, the previous list values what is there, that also it is combining, because I have taken that one in this phase. I have taken what here, list 1. Okay, as I have taken one list 1, that means that so it has called this previous value. Clear? Now I want to take suppose list 5, list list 5 equals to list list what, this is list 3. Now list 3, open the bracket, then colon, then close the bracket. Now list 5, enter. Have you seen it? So this is what, two things, two implementation I have shown to you. One implementation that is the value, still I am using this interactive mode phase. So this is the list 1 value. When I call this list 1 value, it take all the list 1 value, it has done it here. Okay, so from the starting to the ending, same thing what I have said you earlier, starting to the ending, here also it has taken from starting to the ending part. Okay, so starting to the ending part, what it has done, it has printed all the values that are there. That means I have given what, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So those 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 are being printed here. Clear? So this is how you can do the work. You can call the list. One list can be put into another list, and that particular list can be called. This way also the work can be conducted, or this way the work can be done. Okay, this is how the implementation of this particular format of the list. So here what I have said, that I have called first list 1, then I have called list 3. So two things I have called in the two different sections, in list 4 and in list 5. So as I have called them, they has been called here and they has been worked here. This is how your implementation of the formation of list will be, and list is working. So this the list implementation. There is another way you see it, that list 3 list 1 colon 4. So list 3 will contain the element from what, 1 2 3 4. That means I am giving here some specification. What is the specification? The specification is 1 2 3 4 place. From where? From the particular list that has been given, from the list 1. Here your which list will be taken, the first list what is there. Okay, our first list is here, not this 10 20 30 40. Our first list is this computer. Okay, so it will take the value from there. So don't